Yo, we back, man. It's another day. Another day, another dollar. But yeah, man, so I told y'all I was gonna tap back in with y'all, man, once my other lights came in. So check out what we got. Put them on this old dirty car, man. These joints hard too. I like how these look. Look at these 194s right here. Them joints hard, like they clear. So I'm gonna put one of these in the glove box, and I'm gonna put one in the tag light, man, to see how much brighter it is than the ones I got in there. And then these are the ones for the that back light right there. So let me go ahead and put these things in there, man. What's that? 3, 6, 9, 12 LEDs. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that right fast for my battery die. Hold on. And just like that. Ooh, that's bright. The camera don't even want to hold that thing. Yeah, that's bright, that boy. That's bright. Yeah, so lock these up. Put these tabs up. Yeah. Knock them tabs out. Put that back. I'm temporarily blinded right now because I can't even see. But there it is. Even though it's not all the way a round bulb, like it's shining back here. So I wish it was all the way around bulb so it could shine like down, but it is what it is. I don't even use back here, so it's cool. Like it's cool. I ain't tripping. So let me go and get to this glove box real quick with these new 194s, man. These new 194s, and I'm gonna do it also in the on the tag light back there. I know y'all not gonna be able to see a difference on the tag light, but y'all definitely see a difference probably in that glove box. I ain't sure. Let's go see. Yeah. So I'm assuming y'all can see the light coming on my hand, but so it's one of these lights, and I don't wanna. I like them, but when they go bad and they start blinking and stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? So let's try. Let's see what this gonna do. I don't think it's as bright, but we'll see when it get dark. Yeah, it's in there though. I can see it on right there. Yep, it's in there. Yo, so they finally came, and the right ones finally came, man. Oxito LED lights. So we're gonna put these things in, see what it do. Check them out this pack. Hold up. Ooh, that look like that's gonna be bright. Okay. Let's go put them in and see what we get.
back on, man, with the reverse lights, man. Just like that. Whew, I'm happy too, because I ain't had no reverse lights, and people was, while I'm trying to bag up, man, people was getting all in front of me and stuff. Now I need to redo this. Do this and the bird. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Those. Put that red back on there. And I might do something in the front. Need to clean these gutters out. Which I cleaned out all those. Clean all these out. But yeah. We're back in now.
Yeah, so that's gonna wrap that up, man. I'm gonna put the I might come back and put pictures of the tag light in. It's probably not gonna be too much brighter, but this camera about to die. So if you ain't subscribed already, man, please do so. If you haven't checked the site out already, man, BeeloNationLLC.com. Go check it out. Subscribe to the email list, man, so y'all can be updated when the store's updated. Yeah, I'm gonna get on up out of here, man, so we can get prepared for the next one, man. So dog, man, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Man himself, man. Holla at y'all in the next one.
I don't think this light is as bright as the one I just had, though. Or maybe I need to turn. No, I can't turn around. So it don't look as bright as the other one. So, I don't know. Might put the other one back in, I don't know. But it's all good, though. I mean, looking at that, I definitely ain't finna change that, definitely finna change the tag light out to the other one, because this joint here don't even look as bright as the other one did. I mean, it works, but it ain't as bright. So, yeah. Put this baby seat back in here. And that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna lay it down.